Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to Quick Crafts. Quick Crafts is all about what our customers would like to see. Anything that you're having problems with or anything in general that you'd just like to see me do. We've had an amazing response from Quick Crafts, so it's always nice to know that we're doing something that you guys like to see. Today, we're going to be doing quite a sort of distressed background. So I've got my elements here, I've got my stencil brushes, and I've got watercolor card. Okay, and I'm going to be using a stencil, and all I've got here is some water in a spray bottle. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create a really nice, simple, distressed background. Okay, so I've got a couple of colours here. I've got graphite and I've got mermaid. So taking the graphite to start with, I'm just going to get that colour onto the card. Don't worry about if it's not smooth, if there's lines, because we're going to be putting textures over the top, so it really doesn't matter. Okay, and now I'm going to move on to the mermaid. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of my stencils. You can use this with any stencil at all. I'm going to pop that down over the top. I've got my water bottle here, and I'm going to pop some water onto my mat. And then all I'm going to do is, using a clean stencil brush, I'm going to just dab the water that I've soaked up in the brush and pop that over the top. I just pop it through the stencil. I've got some kitchen roll here. I'm just going to soak that up. And I'm going to dab any excess now off. And you can see how fabulous does that look. What a lovely, simple way of just distressing your card. And that's now ready to stamp whatever you want over the top of that. Well, I hope that's helped answer some of your questions, guys, on how to create a nice, simple background. You take care. See you soon. Bye for now.